Hi guys, I am 45 years old and I want to show you what I use on my skin. I was at the gym this morning and I just took a quick shower, so my face is clean and ready. But what are the ingredients in this product that are so good for my skin? This is the Rhode Glazing Milk. It has ceramides that lock in moisture and protect my skin barrier. It has hyaluronic acid that pulls in water and keeps my face soft and plump. It also has beta-glucan, which calms my skin and helps with redness, plus vitamin E and glycerin to keep it smooth and hydrated. Now I will apply this product on my face. I put 3 to 4 drops on my hand like this, and then I gently press it into my skin all over my face. It feels so light and it sinks right in, no sticky feeling at all. Now let me show you my face. Look how glowy and dewy my skin looks. It is smooth, hydrated, and so healthy. At 45, this is exactly the glow I want. If you want fresh glazed skin, you have to try this one. Go grab it.